Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. Please, if you're new to this channel, do it to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to tell me your favorite hairstyle in the comment section below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful hairstyles compilation that I have carefully selected for your little princess, your little angel. This hairstyle is so beautiful. You can rock any of this hairstyle to school. So this hairstyle is so lovely, it looks so beautiful and easy and simple on your little princess. Please, I would love you to watch the video to the end. I will see you in my next video.